Alright, now so let's go ahead and move to the next section, and that is the shows section right here. Alright, so as always, let's go ahead and start with let me close this off and this also. We're gonna start with the links, so I'm just gonna go shows right there. Let me copy this, for example, or this, and let's paste this in. So this will be all shows, and this link, it's going to hit the all shows right there, and this will be shows dot all. Alright, so save. Let's copy this, let's go right there, and let me go ahead and paste. Alright, so this will be kind of similar to the all admins function, so I'm just gonna go ahead right there. I'm gonna go ahead and paste. Right, so cut this and paste like that, and this will be all shows. We're just gonna create this variable right away. Alright, and we're gonna grab this from the show model, and we're gonna select all order by the ID, and then we're gonna use the function get right there to get a collection, and we're gonna pass this in like that. Alright, so we're gonna return the view of all shows right there, and simply save this, copy this, and let's go ahead to the admins folder. Let's go blade.php like that. Alright, so there we go. So if we go right there to this folder, which is shows-admins, we're gonna find the show-shows file, and this is the code that we're gonna be using to show our shows, or to display our shows. Alright, so let's paste this in. I'm gonna go end section like that, and I'm gonna go ahead right to the top, copy this and paste like that. Alright, so save. So the next thing that we need to do in order to work this out, we need to go ahead to the layouts, and we need to go to the admin.blade, and I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab this route, just paste it right there, and this will be admins dot actually it will be shows.all. This is simply the route that we just created right now, this route right there. Alright, so now let's refresh. Alright, so if we click this right now, alright, so there we go. Now we're going to our view, to our page, but the data still static. So let's go ahead and make this dynamic. So we have a couple of TRs right there, so all I'm gonna do is just delete those two TRs and simply go ahead right there at the top of this. I'm gonna go add for each. I'm gonna go shows as show, or this is actually all shows. I'm gonna go show like this. Let's cut this and paste. Alright, so now let's copy the show, and right here I'm just gonna go show and simply send in the ID. So let's copy this and paste. So this is the name. Let's now remove this. So this is basically the image of the show. So to grab the image, I'm just gonna start the image like that. I'm gonna go src right there. I'm gonna simply go ahead to asset, and I'm gonna go to my assets folder /image folder, and then I'm gonna concatenate the show image like that. Alright, I'm gonna simply remove this also. So yeah, this is how this will go, and I'm gonna go right there, and this is simply the type. Alright, and this is the date aired, I guess. So yeah, there we go. And let's copy this and paste like that. So we have we're not gonna have any kind of status, so let me remove this. Alright, so I'm gonna also remove this, and I will have let me check out, do we have this status? I don't know. We click shows. All right, so yeah, we have the status. So sorry about that. So I'm gonna go right there and I'm gonna go status, and right after the date aired, I'm gonna go ahead and just make this status like that. All right, so right after this we have the genre. All right, so right after this we have the number available and the number total, and those are supposed to be like the number of episodes, but we're not gonna fetch those. All right, so let me actually delete them. And right after this we have the created ad. All right, so right after this we have the delete button, and we're not gonna do anything with this just yet. All right, so save this now. Let's go ahead and refresh real quick. All right, so the image is kind of huge, so it's gonna mess up the design. So I'm gonna go ahead right here at the part of the image. I'm gonna go width. I'm gonna go simply just 60 pixels or 60 like this. I'm gonna go width like this. All right, so I got confused basically. I'm gonna go height, like also like 60 pixels or something. So let's save this now. Let's go ahead and refresh this. All right, so there we go. So we got the title. This is actually the name, not the title, but that's fine. So, and we also got the image, we got the type, which is TV series, the date aired, the status, and the action, and simply the created ad. All right, so let's actually refresh this. We got also the description. We can actually display this, and you can display a bunch of things, a bunch of other things if you want. You can display the quality, you can display the duration right there, anything that you want. All right, but I'm gonna stop right here and just display those. All right, so the next one, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna create new shows right here. So yeah, this will be all, and I'll see you in the next video.